Good morning, this is meteorologist Justin Gibbs. Friday, April 16th at 5 a.m. with an updated special weather briefing for the risk of severe weather over the course of the next couple of days. This is for Friday. The best chance of severe weather is going to be up over Zapata, Jim Hogg, and Brooks counties. There's some chance over the valley through the day today, and then a better chance tonight. The best chance for severe weather and thunderstorms is going to be with a system that comes from around Corpus Christi and moves south through the night. And that arrives after dark tonight. The potential threats will be quarter to golf ball size hail. The hail threat is larger in the afternoon, any storms that develop during the day. And winds of 60 to 70 miles an hour, strong enough to knock down trees and power lines, similar to maybe slightly stronger than what we saw on Sunday night. And then Saturday, the severe weather threat is slightly higher and about the same everywhere. You've got about as good a chance in Zapata as you do in Brownsville, and that threat is expected to start in the afternoon, lasting through the night, with quarter to golf ball size hail and winds strong enough to knock down trees and power lines. Does that mean that for sure it's going to happen? No, we don't know. We can't tell for sure until it gets closer, but we know that the atmosphere is set up for severe weather, so we're giving you a heads up now so you can be aware and be prepared. Some of the questions that we received we want to answer. How big will the hail be? Well, we don't know that yet. It's almost certainly not as big as what we had in 2012 in Hidalgo County. That was a once-in-a-lifetime storm, and we hope that it always stays that way. That type of storm is very rare. We don't expect that, and if anything changes, we'll let you know, but we'd expect hail perhaps big enough to dent your car and mess your day up a little bit, but not anything like what we saw in McAllen in 2012. And if we do get to where we can tell how big the hail is, we will put that in a severe thunderstorm warning like this, where we say, in this case, the storm's capable of producing baseball-size hail, which is pretty big. That information will be available about 30 minutes before the storm arrives in the form of a severe thunderstorm warning that you can get on TV, radio, or on different apps or on our website. Where will the storms hit? We don't know that for sure yet either. We don't know for sure that they'll even form. Once we know where they're going, once we know they're going to develop, we'll issue a watch. And then once we know where they're going for sure, we'll issue a warning, just like what you saw, severe thunderstorm warning. And we'll put the location the storm is headed in that, so like in this case, central Zapata County, including San Ignacio, Zapata, Morales, Sanchez, and Bustamante. And we're looking at new information every 15 or 20 seconds to make those warning decisions. So that'll be the most up-to-date information that we can get. On Friday morning at 5 o'clock, we can't tell you exactly where or when or how bad it's going to be. We can just tell you that it looks pretty unstable and that you need to at least be aware. So what should you do? Just be aware. This is a continue on about your day sort of situation. But it is a situation where you might follow our Facebook page, follow Twitter, listen for watches and warnings, and then if a watch is issued or a warning is issued, take the appropriate action. A watch just means continue to watch for severe weather, that you've got some time. And a warning means that you're being warned that we found a storm that's severe, and if you're in that warning, that you need to move to an interior room away from windows and protect yourself. This situation, as long as we all take care of ourselves and we pay attention, shouldn't be especially dangerous, but we need to take the threat seriously and continue to be aware throughout the day today. And we will provide updates as soon as we get them. We're watching the weather constantly here, minute by minute, and we will update you as soon as we are able to give you information that we think is reliable. If you have any questions, we're at Facebook, U.S. National Weather Service, Brownsville, Texas, Twitter at NWS Brownsville, and you can give the office a call at 956-504-1432.